Welcome to the second installment of ALEX Tech Tips. In this session, you'll learn how to access Alabama Course of Study standards on the ALEX Learning Object Repository. First, type alabamalearningexchange.org into your address bar. Then click the purple Let's Get Started button to enter the ALEX LOR. From the tab menu, click the Standards tab, which is represented by a map icon. On the Standards page, click on the subject area of your choice. Click on the right arrows to navigate through the course standards. Alternatively, if you are looking for a specific standard, you can use the keyword search option. Type a keyword into the search box and press enter. You can use the filters to narrow your search by grade level or item type if desired. To view more information about a standard from the standard list or from the keyword search results, simply click on the standard of your choice. From the standard ID card, you can copy the standard and paste it into another document and view the unpacked content. To print the standards for a grade level, click on the grade level, then click on the printer icon. You can edit the print settings to best fit your needs, such as including notes, which would be the standards examples, and the unpacked content. After you have selected your desired print settings, click Print, and you can save the standards as a PDF or print them out. That wraps up our introduction on accessing and printing standards on the ALEX LOR. If you have any questions or need assistance using the ALEX website, please reach out to the ALEX team and we'd be glad to help.